Assalamualaikum. Today we will make chocolate cake. For that we need 200 grams of butter, 3 cups of sugar, 7 eggs, 2 cups of flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, half cup of cocoa powder and few drops of vanilla essence. The first thing we'll do, we will sift the sugar, and we have added 3 cups of powdered sugar. To this we will add 200 grams of butter, which is at room temperature. And we will mix it together. We will break eggs one by one, checking each egg. There are total 7 eggs. We will add eggs one by one to the mixture of butter and sugar and whisk it together. All the eggs, we will add 1 tablespoon of milk and about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. We will add flour to it. 2 cups of flour, add 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and half cup of cocoa powder. mixture together. We'll gently fold the dry mixture into the liquid mixture. Until everything is uniform. We will take two pans, one is 7" in diameter and the other is 10" in diameter. We will grease the pan. The leftover butter was enough for it. Add a little flour to it, to both the pans. And then just move it around like this so that it covers all the sides. Now we will add batter to both the pans. We have filled 1/4 of the pan and we will flatten it by striking it on the table. Want to make it as even as possible and remove the excess gas bubbles. 3° Celsius, and we will place it in the oven for about 50 minutes. Exactly 50 minutes, the cake is completely ready. We can see that the shashlik stick comes out to be dry. Now the fun part, let's decorate the cake. We need condensed milk, cream, Cadbury, milk chocolate, smart beans and some marshmallows. We will take 90 grams of Cadbury milk chocolate and we will add about 1/4 cup of milk to it. Next, we will heat it in microwave for about 20 seconds. We will mix it a bit and then again place it in the microwave for another 20 seconds. Again we will mix it. We want chocolate to be completely dissolved. It has dissolved completely. We will add cream to a large mixing bowl. We will whisk the cream. We will add 1/4 tin of condensed milk to it. that was dissolved in milk to cool a bit, and then we will add it to the frosting that we made from cream and condensed milk. For about 20 minutes. We will cut the large cake into 2 halves, top and bottom. We will cut the small cake in 2 halves, top and bottom. We will separate the 4 pieces of cake. We will cut a circle on the top half of the large cake. And we'll cut a circle on the bottom half of the small cake. We will apply the cream frosting that we prepared on the cake, lower half of the big cake. Next, we will slide the top half of the big cake on top of it. Next, we will apply frosting on the top half of the big cake. Just around the inner circle. Next, we will slide the bottom half of the small cake on top of it. Now we have a nice hollow in the middle. We can add smart beans to it. Next, we will apply the frosting on the top of the small cake. Next, we will place the top of the small cake. We will apply a little frosting on the top of the cake, and we can place the small piece of the cake that we took out. Again, we will apply some frosting and add the top small part to it. Now now we will add the topping on top of it. We will take 90 grams of Cadbury chocolate and add about 1/4 cup of milk to it. We will place it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. We will shake it a bit and place it in the microwave for another 20 seconds. We have dissolved the chocolate in the milk. Now we will add about 1 tablespoon of condensed milk to it. When we get a uniform mixture, we can pour it over. The cake is ready. Happy birthday, Nai. Pupu loves you. May Allah bless us all. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.